how to add Jotform to Wix website. So first I'm going to create a form here on Jotform. So we can either start from scratch, use a template. I'm going to use a template here, and I'm simply going to choose this new customer registration form. So I'm going to use this template, like I said, and we can change some of the fields here. We can change the settings, but what we actually need here is the publish button. So just click on publish, and this is the link that we want to copy. So just select copy link, and after we have copied the link here, we will go back to the Wix website editor here, and we're going to use the search bar to search for embed, and this will load up all of the embeds here. So I'm just going to click on embed, and you will be seeing great English. You will be able to see either embed HTML or embed site. We want to click on embed site, and we want to paste the link right here. So just right click and paste, and if we click on apply, this will add our Jotform form to our Wix website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.